Good day, cellmates, and welcome to my acrylic art pouring channels, Jilly Cube. I'm on the Sunshine Coast in Queensland, Australia, and an absolutely gorgeous day. It's very windy, but it's a beautiful day, so can't complain considering all the circumstances going on in the world. I hope you're all safe, I hope you're keeping well, and I just wish everybody only the best for these trying times we're all going through. Okay, I've just got plenty of paint and plenty of canvases, so if I have to live in my art room and just paint and post videos, I'd be more than happy to do that. So this one I'm going to try this colander pour again. I have not been able to really master the colander pour. Keep trying different things and it works. I mean, lots of people saying my results, oh yeah, it's beautiful and it's great, but I wasn't happy with it. So I'm going to give it another go today, and I'm doing it. These are some of my Mont Studio acrylics. These are the new colours that have come out. In Australia, we've only just received the new colours that have come out. So the link to suppliers, my suppliers Capriole Shabby Chic, is in the drop down box, and that's for Australia, and there's other links there. If not, check on Amazon if you're in another country. So all the things I use anyway are on the online supplier in Australia, so it's easy peasy. So these are some of the gorgeous colours that I've been working different combinations this week. So today will be the big jug pour into the colander. But I'm just wondering, should I just pour the colours separately into the colander, and will I have a better result? Because I'm not sure if I've actually done it that way. So maybe I'll try just pouring the colours separately into the colander. So I did the reverse colander pour, and now I'm doing it this way. So here goes. I'm going to just do my very edges. Actually, I'm going to just do my very edges with an odd combination, but I have this pink, bright pink. So I'm going to just do my edges because this will probably be run off, but I don't want to have to worry about, well, not that I worry about edges, because you can always finish them off afterwards. So I'll just do my very edges in this colour. Don't worry, it's not all going to be a pinky pour, but I had some idea of trying to get it looking like sunset colours, but I thought, no, I shouldn't say anything because I can never seem to get the outcome that I start off with in my head. My whole everything about how I poured seems to take on its own choices. I suppose like independent children, they have their own choices and you've just got to let them go with it and just support them. So that's what I do with my paint. It goes a different way than I have in my head, but I just support it. I support it through. So okay. Oh, where am I? I am going to start with my pouring medium, and my paint recipe is all underneath this video in a drop down box or under description. So I'm just hoping that doing these separately will work out different outcome for me this time. So I'll just give it a go. That's all you can do. So that's the white, and I've got just a little bit of this Viridian, which is one of the new colours from Mont. Absolutely gorgeous. That banging you can hear is the wind, so windy, because we are at the top of a mountain where I live, and it's just making the fly screen curtain just go crazy. So it's nothing I can do. I've tried to pin it up and stop it, but ultimately it was to stop these pesky flies flying in on my pour. This is a colour that I made up myself. It was with white and a bit of orange until it got to the colour that I wanted. Just like I made it up as a flesh colour, but I thought it goes nice with these shades of green, so I'm going to just go with it. So this one is the light green, or green light as it's called in. And a bit more white. I'll go with the aqua is what I would say, but I've heard said different ways by different whether it be in the US or Europe. We'll call it. Oh, here we go. Hey, Lola. Goodness, I have so many people say to me that when my dogs go off, or their dogs go off, Lola, shh, 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 shh. Hey. I think I'll have to let them out. Thank you. My daughter-in-law just turned up, let them out for me. That's all good. Wow. It always looks good at this point and then seems to go downhill somewhere along the lines. I'm just, come on, let the colander pour gods be with me today. I love all these different shades of green. So this one was the turquoise, the Mont Studio Acrylics, and it's all mixed with the clear PVA. Okay, I'm going to try some of the silver in this. This is metallic silver. So I've now got the silver and gold from the Mont, and oh, I've been waiting so long. They were only in the small containers here in Australia, but now we're getting them in the 2 litres, and I'm so excited about it because I obviously go through lots of paint, so for me to buy in 2 litres is far better. So the pouring medium for this little gem, hopefully gem, will be in the drop down box. I only added 2 little drops of my Helmar silicone in all these paints. So a bit more of this green in here. I'm thinking maybe I have plenty of paint, but when it comes to tilting it all over the canvas, that will be the decider. Be with you soon, son. My son and daughter-in-law's turned up, so go and have a cuppa with them in a minute when I've finished. Oh, you little mare pots. Lola. She's naughty. Sorry about that, guys. Okay. I'll just go and put her in the garden. Okay, I can't because there's too many cars out there and I'm frightened that she'll get hit by a car. Lola, you've just got to stay put for a second or two. Just wait. She's a princess, Lola. She's not my dog, she's my son's and daughter-in-law, but I love her dearly. And I'm her nana too. So she comes and stays with me and I love it. Hey, behave. You won't be coming in the paint room again, Lola. No. Wowzers. Okay. Let's give this a try, see how we've come out with this one. Now I want to just push the piece of card quickly underneath it when I lift it, maybe. Ooh, woo. Wowzers. Wowzers. Now, should I or shouldn't I just put the heat on it a little bit before I spread it? The heat gun. There we go, Joe. Just those aside. Oh, I just hope so much this works out, guys. I really want a colander pour to turn out for me. Just have not been able to. Do I need more white around there? Maybe to make it run a bit further than it. I think I need to watch some videos. I don't very often get a chance to watch many other artists' videos because, and for a start, I do, as I've said before, I like watching them on mute because I actually like to work out myself how I can look how they've done it, but I like to, you know, do my take on it. Just add in a bit more so it's, I don't have to stretch the paint too far. So do you do this nice and slowly or do you do it quick? I love the colours. I do. So do I come back this way? Goodness. Come on, colander gods, turn out beautiful for me. I think I'll go all the way down the other end. Maybe you're supposed to mix up your paint a bit thinner for this particular style, I'm not sure. I would like to keep that red and orangey in the center of, well, keep it, yeah, I'd like it to keep it, but let's see how we go. Wow. Sort of trying to keep it all centered and wow, I love this look over here with the blue running, oh well it's actually turquoise but running through that green, pretty nice. I'm losing all the greens, aren't I? Wowzers, this looks like a big heart in the center of that with that flesh color. My bleeding heart. Wow. The center where that red is, it's got some lovely kind of cloudy, lacy effects in it. Just wondering what a bit of paint with the Floetrol just blown in the center would actually look like. Wow. I don't feel I should do much more to that. But that's just an idea. What do you think, guys? I just want to see if I can get some lacing out the center. Quite happy with all of this. It's covered my edges. I'm just thinking. What can I try? Just want to put a bit of, I'll get my boom gel stain. I just want to see if I blow into the centre whether I can get like a lace effect on it. This is my boom gel stain. The supplier for this too is in the drop down box, so this is certainly it's the boom gel. I want to just see if I can get any kind of, I might put a bit of, oh, I've got some gold there. Got a little tub of gold that I just mixed with floater. I just want to try it. Can't be satisfied, can I? I've just got to keep my experimental side going. Here we go. So the gold actually looks like the outside. It's lacing up. I just wanted to put something in that centre. Look at that lacing coming up. I'm just going to leave that. I'm not going to add the heat torch to it because it will just sell up like crazy. I'm going to just leave that now. I will just finish my edges off nicely, but don't stress over them. Just run your fingers underneath the edge of your canvas and use the paint for the on your fingers for the very edge. Oh my goodness, the edges are coming up quite nice too. It's getting cells all down the edges. I'll give you a close-up of that. Maybe I can just try blowing again that way. I just think it puts something in the center. Well, it's off center, which is my favourite thing. Oh, a bit different, bit crazy. If you're the eccentric, you'll love it. You'll love it. So, what do you think? Let me know. Let me know. Okay. Try and give you a bit of close up on that center again. Ooh, look at that. That was just with that teeny bit of boom gel in there, with just sitting on the satin acrylics. So, as a team, they work really well, don't they? Look at the, wow. Well, that's different. Okay, let me know what you think, guys. If you've got any things that you can tell me where I went completely wrong, or if you've tried this, yeah, please let me know. I want to thank you guys so much for subscribing to my channel. Forever grateful for every single one of you. I appreciate. If you haven't subscribed, please do so. It's absolutely free. You will have plenty of time to sit and watch your favourite pouring artists on YouTube, I'm sure. So until next time, my next crazy experiment, bye for now.